Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Power Up Sessions, my series of quick 5-minute practices designed to increase your energy, focus the mind, and improve your overall productivity. Today, we're going to be doing a series of movements known as Kriya for awakening the spine. You know, the spine, the central channel, is where all the nervous signals run from the mind to the rest of the body and back to the mind. So when this is clear and functional and strong, our mind is clear and functional and strong. Let's get right into it. Find yourself a comfortable seated position. We're going to start waking up the spine with a Sufi Grind rotation. So leaning forwards, rotate towards the right, around back, left and forward. Inhale as you come forward, exhale as you round back, drawing as big a circle as you can from the center of your body. Close the eyes, go inside, and become aware of the full rotation along the spinal column. Keep your chin parallel with the floor so you get the benefits of this rotation from the base of the spine all the way up into the neck. Move and breathe together. Inhale as you come forward and open the chest, and exhale as you round back. The pace is completely up to you. You go at whatever speed feels right for you right now. And the next time you come to the front, switch directions, opposite direction. Still inhaling forward, exhaling back, as big of circles as possible to awaken the entire spinal column. Let this movement and breathing be a meditation, a super detoxifying, healthy meditation. I had a teacher used to say, let this be your daily grind. I really like it. It still repeats in my mind all the time. Let the Sufi grind be your daily grind. And take a deep inhalation, sit up nice and tall. And exhale, relax. Beautiful, waking up the nervous system. Tiny vibrations to the body. Now we're gonna work on lengthening the spine. We're gonna do a spinal flex, but with the idea of lifting the chest and finding length, making ourselves taller. So we inhale the chest forward and up, and we exhale, dropping down. Let's do that. Inhale, lengthening the chest up. Exhale, relaxing down. Again, the speed is completely up to you. If you feel like you want to go slower, you can go slower. If you feel like you want to do a more powerful sniff and throw breath, it's completely up to you. Take a deep inhalation, sit tall. Hold the breath, squeeze Mula Bandha, contract the genitals and anus. Pull up the pelvic floor. And release, relax. We're going to go directly into neck rotations. Drop the chin to the chest. And rotate the right ear towards the right shoulder. Inhaling back. Exhale, left ear to left shoulder and forward. And continue in this one direction. Nice, slow, full rotations. Opening the area of the neck. Inhaling back. Exhaling forward. Opening the connection between mind and body, between body and mind. And next time you come to the chest, switch directions. Still inhaling back, exhaling forward. And return to center. Eyes closed, attention inside. Feeling the awakening of energy through the body. Harmonizing of the nervous system. Leaving you feeling balanced, calm, energized, and present. Thank you so much for joining me for another Power Up session. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give the video a like. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next Power Up session. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.